In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. I'll be covering two different methods to do this. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account and select Switch to Business Account. Tap Next, then Next again and continue by selecting Next. Now choose a category for your account. I'll select Other and tap Next. You'll then have the option to add an email. I'm going to skip this step. After that, tap on Visit Business Suite. Inside the Business Suite, scroll down and select Business Registration, then follow the on-screen steps to register your business. Once your business is registered, go back to your TikTok profile. Tap Edit Profile next to your name, then select Links. From here, tap on URL and add your custom website link to your TikTok bio. If you're unable to switch to a business account, there's a second option. Make sure your TikTok account has at least 1,000 followers. Once you reach 1,000 followers, go back to Edit Profile, tap on Links, and you'll see the URL option available. And that's it. It's that simple. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.